teach you how to make a non-spicy, easy, homemade guacamole with tortilla chips on the top.
Okay.
You wash our hands. And 20 seconds, as everyone knows. Now you're okay to touch anything and operate with your hands. So here are the materials that we need. A bowl, like for squashing it in, squashing the avocados, salt, pepper, as much garlic as you want, as much avocado as you want, depending on the people. Well, I prefer one. And cherry tomatoes, that's optional. Garlic's also optional. So it's pretty easy. So when you pick out the avocado, pick out one that's actually a little squeezy. It has brown spots on it. It's okay, like mine. Well, it better not have. And pick out one that has the stem, or else it'll like go bad. So first of all, you pick out the stem, throw it in the trash, and you start cutting it by try cutting it in half. And when you reach the middle, you keep cutting in a circle. It doesn't have to be completely round, you just need to fix it at the end. Here. You see, mine is not completely round too. So, first thing you do is remove this. Oh, sorry. It's hard to get a right thing. So you put the knife in here. You turn it. It's hard to turn sometimes. Here. And you just throw it inside the compost. And the way I learned to remove this is by cutting it. And then it just comes out into the bowl, into pieces. So no more spoon needed. Well, maybe one to scoop it out. I just take. Okay, now back here. You take it out. You take all of the extra stuff out. Make it. So here. So it might be a little problem removing it, but that's fine. It won't take too long. And do the other one as the same as the first one. This technique is good, so mush it with whatever you like. I'm using a spoon, it's kind of difficult. Maybe it's kind of difficult, so you can use that thing you use to mash potatoes or the lemon. It's about good now. Now we add in the salt. Salt shaker, salt. Remember, don't be so careful. Just add in some. Just add in a lot. About 10 turns of it. 10 shakes. Because it's probably going to be not enough. So when you're done, you can probably taste it if you want. and then add the salt and more salt and pepper according to your taste. Now we peel the garlic. 1 clove is not enough. So you can put as much as you want. I'm just gonna put 1. Doesn't have to be completely peeled, just peel it kind of easily. Now put it in the garlic squeezer and squeeze it out. Okay, so it's about like this. That, just mush it together again so it gets a little garlicky taste. Now, this is optional, as I said at the beginning of the video. So, you take cherry tomatoes as much as you want. I'm just gonna take 1. Make sure that it's very hard. Roman tomatoes are okay too. Just remember, in Roman tomatoes, you have to peel out the seeds. And cherry tomatoes, whatever you want. Or grape tomatoes. So, cut it into tiny little pieces. Like about this big. And then mush it together again. And then you're about done. One final touch, which is the tortilla chips. But as I like to make it nice and flat, and to make a tortilla chip flour on the top of it. So just put aside the spoon. Fine, full tortilla chips. Start on the outside. Make a circle and go in more. And then make the circle smaller and smaller when it goes to the middle. For instance, I'm doing a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's a 5, 3, 1? 1, 2, 2. It doesn't actually matter as long as it looks good. Touch. And there. A tortilla guacamole flour.